Today, we're diving into a comprehensive comparison between the Roborock Saros 10R and the Eureka J15 Pro Ultra. The Roborock Saros 10R brings impressive obstacle navigation, powerful 19,000 Pascal suction, and a unique Adaptilift chassis that helps it climb over thresholds. On the other hand, the Eureka J15 Pro Ultra offers strong 16,200 Pascal suction, a smart extendable mop for improved edge cleaning, and a budget-friendly price tag. But the big question is, which one is best for your needs and style? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two robot vacuums and see which one is the right choice for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Starting off with the design and build quality, the Roborock Saros 10R is remarkably slim at just 7.98 centimeters tall. This low profile gives it a major advantage when cleaning under low-clearance furniture like sofas and sideboards. Its design also includes a duo divide brush with dual rollers that effectively channel hair and debris into the bin without tangling, plus a flexi-arm brush for reaching room edges. On the other hand, the Eureka J15 Pro Ultra stands out with its extendable mop pad, which reaches right into corners and hugs baseboards tightly. Its body is designed in a rounded square shape, improving its edge and corner performance, which round robots often struggle with. While both devices have sturdy builds and smart design elements, the Roborock's ultra-slim profile gives it an edge in reaching hard-to-access spaces, while the Eureka's extendable mop pad ensures superior baseboard cleaning. When it comes to navigation and obstacle avoidance, the Roborock Saros 10R employs Roborock's StarSight Autonomous System 2.0. This system uses 3D TOF sensors to map the environment in real time, giving the robot a clear understanding of obstacles and surroundings. Its Adaptilift chassis can independently raise or lower parts of the robot to climb 2 to 4 centimeter thresholds and move over deep pile carpets. On the other hand, the Eureka J15 Pro Ultra features solid mapping capabilities and object detection, but occasionally bumps into objects. One standout feature is its ability to snap pictures of obstacles and highlight them on the map, providing extra insights for users. Both robots navigate effectively, but the Roborock's Adaptilift chassis offers superior threshold climbing and carpet performance, while the Eureka's obstacle snapshot feature can be especially useful in identifying problem areas. In terms of vacuuming performance, both devices pack some serious power. The Roborock Saros 10R leads with an impressive 19,000 Pascal suction power, easily outperforming the Eureka J15 Pro Ultra's 16,200 Pascals. This gives the Roborock an advantage when tackling tougher debris or deeply embedded dirt and carpets. The Roborock also features carpet boost settings to maximize suction when it detects carpets, ensuring optimal performance. On the other hand, the Eureka J15 Pro Ultra uses clever dirt recognition to adjust its cleaning mode dynamically. When it encounters dry debris, it slows its side brush to prevent dirt from scattering. While the Eureka performs well for everyday dirt and dust, the Roborock's additional power makes it the better choice for stubborn messes or deep carpet cleaning. For hard floors, both vacuums excel, though Roborock's Duo Divide Brush and FlexiArm Brush provide a slight edge for efficient hair pickup and corner cleaning. Switching to mopping performance, both devices excel but in different ways. The Roborock Saros 10R employs dual spinning microfiber mop pads with advanced dirt detection to tackle stains. It uses 80 degrees Celsius water for mop cleaning and 55 degrees Celsius air to dry the pads, minimizing odors and bacteria growth. On the other hand, the Eureka J15 Pro Ultra uses 167 degrees Fahrenheit hot water for superior mop washing, giving it an edge in tackling stubborn grime. But the J15 Pro Ultra lacks an automatic detergent dispenser, meaning you must manually add cleaning solution to the water tank when needed. Both mops deliver great results, but the Eureka's higher temperature mop washing may provide a slight advantage for tougher stains, while Roborock's intelligent mop detachment system keeps carpets safer during cleaning. Maintenance and usability are key factors for long-term satisfaction. The Roborock Saros 10R's Duo Divide Brush resists hair tangles exceptionally well, minimizing the need for frequent cleaning. It also features a self-cleaning dock that uses 80 degrees Celsius water to wash mop pads and hot air to dry them, reducing maintenance demands. On the flip side, the Eureka J15 Pro Ultra also benefits from an anti-tangle brush with cutting blades to minimize hair wrapping, but its internal components tend to accumulate dirt over time, requiring more frequent manual cleaning of areas like the suction port and washboard. For those seeking low-maintenance solutions, the Roborock Saros 10R provides a cleaner and quieter experience overall. As for my final verdict, both the Roborock Saros 10R and the Eureka J15 Pro Ultra are powerful contenders, each with standout features. The Roborock Saros 10R excels in carpet performance, navigation, and app control, making it ideal for larger homes or challenging layouts. In comparison, the Eureka J15 Pro Ultra offers excellent corner cleaning, a high-temperature mop wash system, and a lower price tag, making it a smart choice for those seeking value. Ultimately, your choice depends on your home's unique layout and your cleaning preferences.